Well, the topic of our discussion today is reader response theory, or you can say reader response criticism. Be sure that reader response criticism is a school of literary theory that focuses on the reader or audience and their experience of a literary work. In contrast to other schools and theories that focus attention primarily on the author or the content and the form of the work. As I said, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, रीडर रिस्पॉन्स क्रिटिसिज्म एक लिटरेरी थ्योरी का स्कूल है. इज ए स्कूल ऑफ लिटरेरी थ्योरी. ऐसा स्कूल ऑफ लिटरेरी थ्योरी दैट फोकसेस, जो फोकस करता है ऑन द रीडर, जो रीडर के ऊपर या ऑडियंस के ऊपर फोकस करता है और किसी लिटरेरी वर्क के उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस पर फोकस करता है. रीडर रिस्पॉन्स क्रिटिसिज्म या रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी लिटरेरी थ्योरी का एक ऐसा स्कूल है, एक ऐसी थ्योरी है जो रीडर के और किसी वर्क के उसके एक्सपीरियंस को फोकस करता है, अपेक्षाकृत दूसरे स्कूल्स के, दूसरी थ्योरीज के. दूसरी थ्योरीज क्या करती हैं? दे फोकस अटेंशन primarily on the author or the content and the form of the work. दूसरी जो स्कूल्स हैं, दूसरी जो थ्योरीज हैं, उनका मेन अटेंशन, उनका प्राइमरी अटेंशन, उनका मेन फोकस किसके ऊपर रहता है? ऑथर के ऊपर और द कंटेंट एंड द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्क. दूसरे जो स्कूल्स हैं, दूसरी जो थ्योरीज हैं, उनका मेन फोकस, मेन अटेंशन ऑथर के ऊपर और उसके वर्क के कंटेंट और फॉर्म पर रहता है. जबकि रीडर रिस्पॉन्स क्रिटिसिज्म का या रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी का जो फोकस है, मेन फोकस है, वो किसके ऊपर रहता है? रीडर के ऊपर और उसके द्वारा पढ़े गए लिटरेरी वर्क के एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर वो फोकस करता है. दैट इज रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी. The theory, the literary theory that focuses mainly on the reader and his experience of a literary work is known as reader response theory or reader response criticism. जो थ्योरी, जो क्रिटिसिज्म रीडर के और उसके किसी वर्क के एक्सपीरियंस पर फोकस करती है, उसको हम रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी या रीडर रिस्पॉन्स क्रिटिसिज्म कहते हैं. इस थ्योरी का, जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही कहा, मेन उद्देश्य, मेन फोकस रीडर होता है और उसका एक्सपीरियंस होता है किसी वर्क का. जबकि दूसरे जो स्कूल्स हैं, दूसरे जो थ्योरीज हैं, उनका मुख्य उद्देश्य, उनका मेन अटेंशन ऑथर के और वर्क के कंटेंट पर और उसके फॉर्म पर होता है. ओके. रीडर रिस्पॉन्स जो थ्योरिस्ट हैं, दे शेयर टू बिलीव्स. वो दो बिलीफ शेयर करते हैं. द वन that the role of the reader cannot be omitted from our understanding of literature. Reader response theorists believe that the role of the reader, एक रीडर का रोल, रीडर की भूमिका, cannot be omitted from our understanding of literature. हमारे लिटरेचर की अंडरस्टैंडिंग से ओमिटेड नहीं की जा सकती, उसके रोल को किसी भी कीमत पर ओमिट नहीं किया जा सकता। सेकेंडली, दे बिलीव दैट readers do not passively consume the meaning presented to them by the objective literary text. उनका मानना है कि रीडर्स पैसिवली कंज्यूम नहीं करते, किसको? द मीनिंग, उस मीनिंग को, दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड टू देम, जो उनको प्रस्तुत किया जाता है, उनके सामने प्रस्तुत किया जाता है, बाय एन ऑब्जेक्टिव लिटरेरी टेक्स्ट। ऑब्जेक्टिव लिटरेरी टेक्स्ट के द्वारा उनके समक्ष जो मीनिंग प्रस्तुत किया जाता है उसको वो पैसिवली कंज्यूम नहीं करती। अपेक्षाकृत दे एक्टिवली मेक मीनिंग, वो एक्टिवली एक मीनिंग बनाते हैं, एंड द मीनिंग दैट दे फाइंड इन लिटरेचर, जो लिटरेचर को वो पढ़ते हैं उस लिटरेचर से वो अपना खुद का एक मीनिंग बनाते हैं। अगर हम बात करें व्हाट डू द रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी डू, द रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी रिकॉग्नाइजेज द रीडर एज एन एक्टिव एजेंट। रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी क्या करती है? रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी से हमको पता चलता है, हम पहचान पाते हैं किसको? रीडर को एज एन एक्टिव एजेंट, किसके रूप में? एक एक्टिव एजेंट के रूप में। रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी रिकॉग्नाइजेज द रीडर एज एन एक्टिव एजेंट who imparts real existence to the work and completes its meaning through interpretation. It stands in total opposition to the theories of formalism and new criticism. Reader response theory, as I already stated, that is apart from other theories like formalism and the new criticism, in which the reader's role in recreating theory work is ignored. Okay, got it? And the most important thing that you must keep in mind is that Esar ISER is known for his reader response criticism in literary theory. Be sure that Esar is known for his reader response criticism in literary theory. This theory began to evolve in 1967 while he was working in the University of Constance, which he helped to found in 1960s. Okay, and let us see now as to what are the main features of reader response theory. Reader response criticism argues that रीडर रिस्पॉन्स क्रिटिसिज्म ये तर्क देता है कि लिटरेचर शुड बी व्यूड, लिटरेचर को देखा जाना चाहिए एज ए परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट, एक परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट के रूप में, इन विच, जिसमें each reader creates their own possibly unique text related performance, जिसमें हर रीडर अपना खुद का एक संभव यूनिक टेक्स्ट रिलेटेड परफॉर्मेंस क्रिएट करता है। इट स्टैंड्स इन टोटल अपोजिशन टू द थ्योरीज ऑफ फॉर्मलिज्म एंड न्यू क्रिटिसिज्म। ओके, and why should we study the reader response theory and what is its importance? let us know. Reader response theory is a critical theory. I have already stated that reader response theory, reader response criticism is a critical theory that stresses the importance of the role of reader in constructing the meaning of a work of literature. रीडर रिस्पॉन्स एक क्रिटिकल थ्योरी है, एक ऐसी क्रिटिकल थ्योरी दैट स्ट्रेसेस, दैट फोकसेस ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द रोल ऑफ द रीडर इन फॉर्मिंग, in constructing the meaning of a work of literature. Reader response criticism not only allows for but even interests itself in how these meanings to change form from reader to reader and from time to time. Okay. Most importantly, you must keep in mind that reader response strategies can be categorized in 5 types. There are 5 types of responses there in the reader response theory. रीडर रिस्पॉन्स थ्योरी में 5 प्रकार के रिस्पॉन्सेस दिए गए हैं. According to Richard Beach in A Teacher's Introduction to Reader Response Theory 1993, there are 5 types of reader response, and they are textual critical approach, textual critical approach that emphasizes the text itself relative to other forms of reader response criticism, and text directs interpretation as the reader. Okay. Further, they are textual, experimental, psychological, social, and cultural. I repeat, reader response strategies can be categorized into 5 parts, and they are textual, experimental, psychological, social, and cultural. The reference of these responses, reader responses, can be found in Richard Beach's A Teacher's Introduction to Reader Response Theories, 1993. Yes, it was Wolfgang Isser. It was Wolfgang Isser who first of all used reader response theory. Wolfgang Isser, I have already stated that Isser. Full name is Wolfgang Isser, Wolfgang Isser. He was a German literary scholar. Wolfgang Isser was a German literary scholar, and he is known for his reader response criticism in literary theory. Okay, I have already stated that made it clear to you that reader response criticism in literary theory was by Wolfgang Isser, and this theory began to evolve in 1967 while he was working in the University of Constance. Okay, and most important to note is the fact that together with Hans Robert Jas, he is considered means Isser is considered to be the founder of Constance School of Reception Theory. Note down, I repeat, together with Hans Robert Jas, Jaus, Isser is considered to be the founder of Constance School of Reception Theory. Okay. Regarding reader response criticism, it becomes important to note that there are multiple approaches within the theoretical branch of reader response criticism. Yet, all are unified in their belief that the meaning of a text is derived from the reader through the reading process. Louis Tyson classified the variations into five recognized reader response criticism approaches, whilst warning that categorizing reader response theorists explicitly invites difficulty due to the overlapping beliefs and practices of the scholars. So many there are, and the most important to note for you is transactional reader response theory. And this theory was led by Louis Robson Black. Louis Rosenblatt, and it was supported by Wolfgang Isser. It involves a transaction between the text inferred meaning and the individual interpretation by the reader influenced by their personal emotions and knowledge. The next one, affective stylistic theory. Affective stylistic theory is associated with David Bleach, David Bleich, and it looks entirely to the reader's response for literary meaning as individual written responses to a text are then compared to the other individual interpretations to find continuity of meaning. The next one is subjective reader response, and it is associated with David Bleach. Sorry to say that affective stylistic theory was established by Fish. Now, let us come to psychological reader response theory. This theory was employed by Norman Holland. And next one, that is social response theory, is Stanley Fish's extension of his earlier work, stating that any individual interpretation of a text is created in an interpretive community of minds consisting of participants who share a specific reading and interpretation strategy. So, the reader response approaches, theories, and theoretical branches of reader response criticism that we must keep in mind are transactional reader response theory that was led by Louis Rosenblatt, affective stylistics theory associated, or you can say established by Fish, subjective reader response theory associated with David Bleach, psychological reader response theory employed by Norman Holland, and social response, or you can say social reader response theory by Stanley Fish, are of great significance for the scholars who want to have a better understanding of theories, especially reader response theory. It is important to note that in 1967, Stanley Fish published his work Surprised by Sin, and this was the first study of a large literary work that is known as Paradise Lost. It focused on its readers' experience. Next one that deserves special attention is C.S. Lewis's published work in 1961, and that is An Experiment in Criticism. This was the work in which he analyzed readers' role in selecting literature. And now, last of all, you must note down that in 1968, Norman Holland drew on psychoanalytic psychology in the dynamics of literary response to model the literary work. Okay? Okay. Goodbye. See you all tomorrow. नमस्ते बेटा.